I can say something. Hi, we're JJ's Pharmacy. We're located on 1240 Providence Boulevard. We do free home delivery, and come pay us a visit.
We're here today because I'm a survivor of ovarian cancer, and my friend here lost her daughter to ovarian cancer. And we want to make more people aware of the symptoms. So we have a lot of stuff here, a lot of messages for the women and the men who love them.
Hi, Jonathan Grimes, General Manager for Crunch Fitness in Deltona, Florida. Stop by and get a 3-day guest pass, 3-day guest pass. You can check us out. June 11th is our anniversary, 30th year birthday. Also, June 21st is National Yoga Day. Come by and check us out for National Yoga Day. We have yoga classes going on all day for you guys. Crunch Fitness, Jonathan. Spin it again, see if you win tonight. That's a good spin. That's the best spin all thing.
My name is Josie Taylor, and I'm a 15-year survivor, cancer survivor. Cancer awareness.
My name's Candace. I'm with Vascular Vein Centers. I'm actually a sonographer with the practice. We have 7 locations. Our closest one to Deltona is right off of I-4 on Lake Mary.
Hey, Lee and John, where are you? Why are you not here? Just kidding. Hey, my name is Rafael Ramirez. I'm the administrator of the new hospital in Deltona on I-4 in Howland. And we're looking forward to a December grand opening. We will definitely invite the community to come and check us out. Again, I-4 in Howland is a 90-bed hospital, and we will be opening in December. So we look forward to seeing you there.
Yeah, I would love to come in.
Rob Levenbury with the Sunshore Agency, and this is Kathy Stevens. We are the Florida Blue and Florida healthcare representatives in the area. The only company that's offering a 5-star plan for Medicare Advantage plans. We're happy to be here at the event this morning. It's been a great event, and thank you to the City of Deltona for us.
Hello, Deltona. Make sure you take care of your feet. When the feet are happy, the rest of the body really knows that. So check your feet, get your feet checked out, and wear orthotics and proper shoes.
Volusia County. If anyone needs to register to vote, I ask you to visit VolisiaElections.org. You can update your voter registration, request a vote by mail, check on your voting status, find out where you need to go if you're going to visit the polls. Next year's presidential preference primary, a primary, and the presidential election in November. So we want everyone to be registered and ready to vote.
Hi, I'm Kat. I work with Greystone Healthcare Management. We have 2 skilled nursing facilities in DeLand, Ridgecrest Nursing and Rehab on Stone Street, and Villa Health and Rehab off of Chipola. We do inpatient and outpatient physical, occupational, and speech therapy. We also do long-term care and respite. We have beautiful private suites and semi-private rooms. And we also have home health care that comes to your home and does therapy as well as nursing services. We invite everyone to stop by and do a tour.
licensed agent with WellCare. WellCare is a Medicare Advantage plan, so if you're on Medicare, you definitely want to get a Medicare Advantage plan because it covers more than Medicare. It covers dental, vision, as well as hearing.
Hi, I'm Christina Rivera, and this is Marie Feliciano with Freedom Health. We're representing Freedom Health in our Medicare Advantage plans. We're here to serve the Medicare community by offering Medicare Advantage plans with prescription, without prescription, and especially plans for those with chronic health conditions like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even those with Medicare and Medicaid.
Hi, my name is Alexandra. We're a local Humana sales agent here in Deltona, Volusia County. An interesting fact about Humana is our goal is to be 20% healthier by 2020, and we've already exceeded that goal. We're very fortunate to work with such a great company that truly cares about their members. And if you're welcome to come to our office on Bevel Road, 1500 Bevel Road, Suite 405. We hold a lot of classes there. We would love to have you come join. They're free whether you're a Humana agent or not. So come on down. We also have a road office Enterprise.
Healthy Start has a support group for parents at the Lions Club in DeLand on the second Friday of the month from 6 to 7:30. Food is provided, and we talk about protective factors.
We also have at the Healthy Start, we have the family place. We have two family places, one in the west side, one in the east. We offer services like Department of Children and Family, Medicaid, cash assistance, everything is for free. You don't need to pay for anything.
What is the safest way for a baby to sleep, Rena?
On its back. No pillows, no blankets, no stuffed animals, and it is cramped by itself.
Very good.
There you go. Safe sleep.
My name is Danny.
Ashley?
There you go. We're part of West Volusia Runners. We're promoting fitness through running and walking. We have our local running group. It's called West Volusia Runners, and we actually put on some races locally. This is a city-sponsored race, which is Central Florida Legends. It's a 5K, half marathon, marathon distance, using the trail systems here locally. We also have another race, Lighthouse Half Marathon and 5K. That one, all the proceeds goes to the local high schools, Volusia County High Schools, athletic departments. And welcome to come. Just look us up on Facebook or in the internet for westvolusiarunners.com. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Maisha Strong. I am a partner with New York Life, and this is...
My name is Albert with New York Life. I'm an agent with New York Life.
Yes, and we are excited to be here at the Deltona Community Center. At this expo, we're meeting so many people, we're having so much fun, and if you didn't make it, sorry we missed you, maybe you can come join us next year, but we definitely want to encourage you to reach out to us. You can find me on Facebook, you can find Al on Facebook as well as LinkedIn, and the services we provide with New York Life includes life insurance, retirement planning, college funding, long-term care. In fact, we do a holistic plan, so really nothing's limited, and we're also hiring. So let me know if you're interested in being an insurance agent as well as a financial professional, and we thank you for reconnecting with us.
Hey, I'm Liz Kammer. I'm the Executive Director at our Y here in Deltona. We have an awesome pool party going on next weekend that's free and open to the community. It's going to be on Saturdays from 12 to 3 at the Y. So come on and see us next weekend.
Hello, we are Genex Health. So seniors ages 65 to 85, be sure to get your genetic testing for cancer, Alzheimer's, and cholesterol to see if you and your family are at higher risk. Also, do your yoga. My name's April Muir. If you are, give us a call, look us up. We're here to help with all-around happiness and health.
I'm Peter Williams with Hispanic Health Initiatives, and we provide free chronic disease awareness and education. We do that through health screenings like glucose, blood pressure, BMI, and cholesterol. It's free to those who don't have health insurance, and we're out there, so come find us.